So what are the best penny stocks to buy on December 20th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is My Size Inc. Stock symbol MYSZ. It is up today 263% or $3.60, trading at $4.96. Since this morning, it already traded 95 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is very, very small. It's only about $15 to $20 million. So, not sure what this company does. I mean, the name of the company says My Size, but it's a relatively unknown company. And for the last 6 months, it was basically trading at around $1. And when I said trading, it's kind of an overstatement because they were basically trading a few hundred shares a day. That's it. Then some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock, you know, that was trading basically at $1 now is trading almost at $5. So apparently it started to rise yesterday, but today is the major push. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, because it's kind of, the growth is just astonishing, 266% in one day, and it's backed up by a bunch of new buyers that are coming in, because otherwise we won't have a volume of 96 million shares. So it could be a pretty interesting and pretty promising investment opportunity. So if I were you, I would take a look and maybe put some money into it. So once again, My Size Inc. stock symbol MYSZ, only $5 a share right now. Next one is Aptos Biosciences, stock symbol APTO. It is up today 116% or 19 cents, trading at 36 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 125 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $40 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is a story with typical penny stock pharmaceutical company. Used to trade around 80 cents a share about 6 months ago, then dropped all the way to 10 cents. And basically, I guess they couldn't produce any kind of positive results for the clinical trials or any kind of progress with the medication they were trying to develop. So obviously the stock was basically collapsing and was on its way to be delisted. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is basically doubled in price. So this usually happens when they announce some kind of breakthrough with the medication they're trying to develop, or maybe they're getting approval from FDA or whatever. But the main thing is that something is happening there, something positive. It attracts a lot of new buyers. And even if you jump in right now at 36 cents and this thing goes back to its previous levels of 80 cents, you could still double your money. So if I were you, I would, definitely take a look and maybe put some money into it. So Aptos Biosciences, stock symbol APTO, only 36 cents a share. Next one is Syntec Optics Holdings, stock symbol OPTX. It is up today 72% or $1.40, trading at $3.35. Since this morning, it already traded 17 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $123 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, I mean, it sounds like maybe a pharmaceutical company as well, because it has the word optics inside and also Syntec. So, maybe this guy's doing something for our eyes and developing some kind of medication for it. So who knows? But the main thing is that for 6 months ago, it used to trade at $3.60 a share. Then it collapsed to like 60 cents, And obviously, in investors were not very happy. It was just collapsing and collapsing. However, it started to produce some kind of good news. First one came about a week ago on December 12th, and that pushed the stock from $1 to like $3.60. But it couldn't sustain itself at that price, so it dropped to $1.80, and now it's going back to like $3.30 or $3.40. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, because it sounds like the news that they're generating, these are kind of long-term playing news, meaning that it might continue to spike the stock even higher. So maybe you should take a look and see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So Syntac Optics Holdings, stock symbol OPTX, only $3.36 a share. Next one is Helios Medical Technologies, stock symbol HSDT. It is up today 73%, or 35 cents, trading at 83 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 97 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $5 million. So, based on the word medical technologies and the name of this company, we could safely assume that this is a pharmaceutical company. And just like with all of them, you know, it's been hovering around like 50 cents for the last 6 months, just basically going lower and lower. So finally they produce some kind of good news, and the stock starts to go and, you know, went up 73%, which kind of tells you that whatever news that they released, I mean, it's pretty powerful, and it might drive the stock much higher than it used to be. But if you decide to jump in right now, just keep in mind you're jumping in at almost 6-month high. 6-month high is about $1.20, but if you're getting at 83 cents, I mean, you can still make about 50% if it goes to those levels. But usually this does go much higher. So take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money there. So Helios Medical Technologies, stock symbol HSDT, only 83 cents a share. Next one is ABPRO Holdings, stock symbol ABP. It is up today 34%, or 52 cents, trading at $2.01. Since this morning, it already traded 11 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $150 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, this company is actually pretty interesting. It's a recent IPO. It's just started to trade on the market about a month ago, on November 14th. When it started to trade, it used to trade at $4.80 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to $1. So, however, some kind of news started to arrive yesterday and today, and it looks like the stock is finally reversing its downtrend and starts to go up. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, because IPO stocks, initial public offering stocks, they're usually very hard-working stocks, because, you know, they're trying to attract a lot of attention from buyers, so the stock price would go up. So they tend to produce a lot of like positive news, positive results, trying to impress investors and bump the stock price up. So could be an interesting investable opportunity. So take a look at it. ABPRO Holdings Inc., stock symbol ABP, only $2 a share. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, forpenny.com, and download my app called Penny Gems. It covers 2,000 stocks trading at around $5 or less on New York Stock Exchange, American Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ. So only the good stocks. And it will definitely tell you what are the best penny stocks to buy, which ones to sell, and which ones will be the most profitable. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now. Don't forget the website. Bye-bye.